And now shifting focus, investors seeking to invest in precious metals are increasingly turning to silver rather than gold, as silver prices have surged at a faster pace and offered higher returns. Over the past 9 months, the price of silver has doubled, rising at roughly twice the speed of gold. Take a look at this report.
In recent days, silver has stolen the spotlight. What started as a steady climb has turned into a sprint, and consumers are feeling it. In global markets, silver has surged roughly 56% on year, and in just the past month, prices have jumped nearly 16%. In India, the domestic silver market has mirrored the rally, and in some cases also exceeded it. The per kilogram rate has crossed 1,63,000 rupees in many cities, a massive 90% jump this year and a more than 30% jump in just a month. So, big gains and fast. This is happening just as India heads into its festive season. With Diwali around the corner, many households and retailers are turning to silver for gifting, puja, small tokens, souvenirs, even as cheaper luxury compared to gold. The fear is, buy now or miss out. But there's a twist. Mutual funds that run silver exchange traded ETFs are now pulling the brakes. Several have stopped accepting fresh lump sum and switch in subscriptions into silver ETF fund or funds. Their reason? A shortage of physical silver in India and steep premiums in the domestic market. The scarcity means ETF houses cannot efficiently convert investor inflows into physical metal, the core requirement of a bullion ETF. Here's what's happening at the ground level. As demand runs ahead of supply, silver is trading at premiums of 10 to 18% above international prices. Normally, this premium would be around 0.5%. Many dealers and jewelers have slowed or even stopped fresh orders. Some report wait times of 4 to 7 days for delivery, with spot premiums of 2 to 3,000 rupees per kg in local markets.
This is actual supply tightness in the metal, but yes, some speculative buying is there right now. And what is happening is more exciting that now the physical silver, it is $3 premium as compared to the future silver. It is not happening in normal circumstances.